Number 7. Mysterious alien creature. A mysterious alien creature with a transparent head and 13 legs has been spotted on the bottom of the ocean by a baffled deep-sea diver. The strange animal appeared to sport a large jelly-like ball where its head should be, that seemed to be filled with spiky teeth. Its legs, with a similar aesthetic to tentacles, stretched perpendicular to its long, straight body, which also appeared to be covered in small suckers. The incredible footage of the odd sea creature was filmed by a diver in Bali, who did not appear to have any idea what the alien-like fish could be. But while it might have looked like it's from another planet, the creature is actually a sea slug, also known as Melibi viridis. Sea slugs can grow to over 12 centimeters in length, but their most fascinating attribute is the way they feed. According to Sea Slug Forum, the creatures use their transparent heads as an oral veil, or fishing net, to catch their prey. When another sea creature touches the sensitive cells on the outside of the veil, it will contract rapidly, trapping their prey. Number 6. Old sock-like creature. In 1950, scientists discovered a strange creature living in the depths of the ocean. For the last 6 decades, scientists have been trying to figure out the origins of the animal, Xenoturbella, which looks a bit like an old sock and has no eyes, gills, or brain. Now, researchers believe they've figured out where this alien of the deep falls in the hierarchy of the animal kingdom. According to a recent study published in Nature, the Xenoturbella belongs near the base of the evolutionary tree. In the past, researchers believed that it could have evolved from a much more complex animal. As it turns out, the worm-like creatures are evolutionarily simple, bilaterally symmetrical animals. Scientists from the Scripps Institution of Oceanography have been researching the Xenoturbella for the last 12 years and managed to collect several specimens whose genomes were then sequenced. They discovered that not only were the specimens genetically related to other bilaterally symmetrical animals, animals with matching halves through a line down the center, like worms, but contained 4 new species. The findings have implications for how we can understand animal evolution, said Scripps marine biologist Greg Roos. Number 5. Ghost shark. The fisherman has captured photos of the elusive chimera, a fish more commonly known as the ghost shark. The mysterious and prehistoric ghost shark is one of the most elusive creatures in the ocean and has fascinated researchers who have been desperate to catch a glimpse for decades. Researchers have only just managed to capture the first moving footage of the animal off the coast of Hawaii and California. While it is called a ghost shark, the fish is actually a member of the elasmobranches, which is related to sharks but not actually classified as one. The species was previously known to make its habitat in the southern hemisphere, but appears to have swapped the south for the north, according to the Monterey Bay Aquarium Research Institute, or the MBARI. Researchers say the sharks live deep in the ocean and do everything they can to avoid sunlight, which earned them their ominous moniker. Known to be older than dinosaurs, they are believed to have evolved 300 million years ago. Number 4. Giant squid. The mysterious and mythical giant squid has never been spotted alive in the deep sea, until now. A team from Japan's National Science Museum has captured footage of a giant squid in its natural habitat, nearly a third of a mile below the surface of the ocean. It is the first such video of its kind. The giant squid was so beautiful that it seemed to sparkle, Tsunemi Kubota, one of the lead scientists on the expedition, told reporters. I was so thrilled when I saw it firsthand, but I was confident we would, because we rigorously researched the areas we might find it, based on past data. Giant squids are predators who hunt in the deep sea further down than light can reach. Because of this, acquiring footage of the creature has been a tremendous challenge and has led to many rumors and myths about the animals. It is believed that the ancient myth of the Kraken, a sea monster large enough to devour ships and the sailors on them, originated from the giant squid. Number 3. Unidentified dead sea creature found in southern Leyte. An unidentified sea creature was floating in the shallow water off Combedo village in this city Thursday morning. Personnel from the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources failed to identify the sea creature since it was already decomposing and emitting foul odor. The city agriculture office decided to tow the creature to the beach, saying that they could not chop it and bury it because of its large size, measuring almost 10 meters long and more than 1 meter wide. The smell was already a health hazard. Number 2. Alien-like shark with extendable jaw. Scientists were left baffled after catching a rare shark that can extend its jaw beyond its mouth, just like the monster from the sci-fi hit Alien. The viper shark, named for its fearsome fangs, was caught in the Pacific Ocean near Taiwan. It seizes its prey with its rapidly extending jaws, which can be used to swallow large fish with one bite. The glowing dark beasts are so incredibly rare that only a handful of them have been caught since they were discovered in 1986. Taiwan's Fisheries Research Institute said it had picked up 5 of the creatures near Dong Township near a routine survey. The species was first discovered in 1986 off the coast of Shikoku Island, Japan. Number 1. Sea monster found in the woods in Vietnam. A huge sea monster has been found in the woods in Vietnam. In the video, the mysterious and long gray creature is loaded on a trailer under the curious gaze of hundreds of people. The origins of the mysterious animal with colossal dimensions are unknown, as is the mystery of how it arrived in the woods, and above all, what species is it? A sea monster, an alien, or even an animal experiment that ended badly?